madam there.
Yes, sir.
Madam, good afternoon. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I can't see Nihal, sir. Can you?
Nihal, sir, को मैं यहाँ पे screen पर नहीं है, but I can see him in the participants list.
Yes, I am there. I am there.
Yeah. So, can we start? Nihal, sir, can we start?
Nihal, sir, unless and until you say yes, Karthik, sir, won't start.
Kindly inform if all the principals have joined.
Yes, Peshwe sir has joined. I suppose Naik sir will be joining in 2 minutes. Yeah, as he joined, I can't see him now as of now.
Acha, Sharma sir.
Sharma sir has joined. I mean, I'm with Sharma sir.
Suryavanshi sir has also been joined.
Yes, Suryavanshi sir has also joined.
सूर्यवंशी सर को आपने को-होस्ट बना दिया है?
हाँ, उनको प्रेजेंटेशन देना होगा ना सूर्यवंशी सर।
हाँ सर, कौन से नाम से ज्वाइन हुए प्लीज?
डॉक्टर भरत नाम से दिख रहे हैं मुझे शायद। दिखे क्या निहाल सर?
हाँ, नीरजा मैडम डॉक्टर भरत नाम से देखिए।
हाँ, कर दिए सर, होस्ट बना दिए।
Okay, so I think with the permission of all the organizers, we can start now.
Yes.
Good afternoon to one and all. I welcome you all to this one-day online workshop on protecting creativity, intellectual property, and copyright essential. This workshop is jointly organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell and Innovation and Incubation Cells of Gondia Education Societies, J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bhandara, Dharampet Education Societies, Dharampet MP Deo Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Shri Santaji Shikshan Vikas Sansthas, Santaji Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur, and Sati Mata Shikshan Sansthas, Dr. M.K. Umate College, Nagpur. We are organizing this workshop under the guidance and leaderships of our patrons. Today, we are having with us resource person Honorable Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. Honorable Dr. Sridhar Sharma sir, Officiating Principal, J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bhandara. Honorable Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe sir, Principal, Dharampet MP Deo Memorial Science College, Nagpur. Honorable Dr. Priya Vanjari Madam, Principal, Santaji Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Honorable Dr. D.V. Naik sir, Principal, Dr. M.K. Umate College, Nagpur. I also welcome IQAC coordinators, Innovation and Incubation Cells coordinator, head of the departments and faculties. Once again, I welcome you all. I request Honorable Officiating Principal Dr. Sridhar Sharma sir to deliver the introductory remarks.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable patrons of all the collaborating institutions, Dr. Peshwe sir, Dr. Naik sir, Dr. Priya Vanjari madam, resource person Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, and all my teacher friends. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this one-day online workshop on protecting creativity, intellectual property, and copyright essentials. At the very outset, let me thank Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur, for their support in the organization of this workshop. We live in an era where creativity and new ideas are shaping our future, and knowledge is one of our greatest strengths. As we keep creating and sharing new things, it is important to know how to protect these ideas. Intellectual property rights help us to do that. They make sure that creators and creators are recognized and rewarded for their work. This workshop is designed to help us learn more about IPR, including copyrights, patents, trademarks, and other important topics. Whether you are an artist, student, researcher, or business person, understanding IPR is important to protect your own work and to respect others' work too. I am confident that today's session will be very enriching experience for all of us. Let us all actively participate, engage with curiosity, and leave this session empowered to protect and promote our creative expressions responsibility. I wish the workshop great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, sir, to say few words on this occasion.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Respected principals, respected Bharat Suryavanshi sir, Assistant Controller of Patent and Designs, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property, Honorable Principal Madam Vanzari, Honorable Principal Sharma sir, Honorable Principal Naik sir, all the respected and revered patrons of our institutions, IQAC coordinators and dear colleagues. I'm very happy to be with you all here today. And you know what, I cannot imagine this workshop without support from J.M. Patel and Santaji College and Umate College. Because without Karthik Panikar sir, Nihal sir and Naik sir, I think many good things in my life would have never happened. And one of the finest thing, is coming together and involving ourselves in academic activities. And that is possible because of the sheer positivity from all these quadrants. Coming together is the key when it comes to patents and when it comes to innovations and creativity. And we all must come together and start developing our ideas. And one of the obstacles, I think, in between the individual's creativity and the final product or patent or the final industrial product is that self-doubt. We need to tide over the self-doubt about our own ideas. That is the point where we stop, where we start and where we stop. And if we overcome self-doubt and then step further, you will find Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir ready to help us in every possible way. So I hope that we all overcome our doubts and extend our ideas and reach our ideas to Dr. Suryavanshi so that he can help us groom them further in the right direction. Obliged to you, Bharat sir. You have been a big support to us on several occasions. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. I request Honorable Principal Dr. Priya Vanjari, Madam, to enlighten us on this occasion.
Thank you, Madam. A very good afternoon to all, one and all. The IQAC's Innovation and Incubation Cells of Santaji Mahavidyalaya Nagpur, J.M. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Bhandara, Dharampet MP Deo Memorial Science College, Nagpur, and Dr. M.K. Umate College, Nagpur, all have come together in this collaborative activity and organized one-day online workshop on protecting creativity, intellectual property, and copyright essentials. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our resource person for today's workshop, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. It will be a privilege to listening to you, sir, Bharat sir. With a very good start to today's program, just now, Principal Sharma sir and Akhilesh Peshwe sir has already addressed. I think it is the most important thing to speak about today that affects all of us, whether you are an artist, a writer, a student, or simply one with some ideas pertaining in our mind. We all have something to jot down, to create, and that is what creativity is all about. Creativity upholds all innovative techniques. Innovation comes from creativity, and today we are diving into the world of intellectual property, specifically copyright, and why it plays such an important role in protecting creativity. Creativity is power, just now I said, and to protect our creativity comes to our mind. As we move ahead, we should have protection, and that is where intellectual property, that is IP, comes in. It refers to invention, brand names, designs, artistic works, and it is the legal framework that allows creators to own what they make. There are many forms of this: patents, trademarks, trade, secrets. But today, I think this workshop will focus more on copyright, if I'm correct, Dr. Bharat sir. We'll stress on copyright and let all the participants know what it is all about. I would fail in my duty if I would fail to mention a special thanks to Karthik sir, Dr. Nihal sir, and of course the IQAC coordinators of remaining two colleges who have made this happening event into a workshop so that all the participants can be enlightened on what it is exactly about. Akhilesh sir has already mentioned that it becomes a teamwork, and all friends' names were mentioned, forgetting important names, Akhilesh sir. So I would like to make it a point that all your, of course, friendship is important, and with the coordination of all the four colleges, we are having such a good collaborative activities, which is very essential because online mode is still on, and with online mode we can target more oriented audiences which have access to all this information. My best wishes to this workshop, sir, and thank you for giving me a chance to extend my best wishes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. I request Honorable Principal Dr. D.V. Naik, sir, to say a few words on this occasion.
Aparna, just confirm if Naik sir is there. I'm not sure if he has joined.
Shall we move ahead or we have to
Yeah,
wait?
we'll take his wishes later on.
Okay, sir. Okay. It's my proud privilege to introduce today's resource person, Honorable Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi, sir. He is working for more than 18 years in central government office under the Patent Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and presently working as Assistant Controller of Patent and Designs. He has completed his PhD on the topic of bioefficacy and phytochemical studies on medicinal plants of Kinvat and Mahur Forest of Nanded district from Swami Ramanand Tirthi Marathwada University, Nanded, Maharashtra. He has published various national and international papers, delivered many lectures on IPR in various parts of the country. He was deputed for training at Tokyo, Japan on examination and IPR issues. He has been a part of various judicial, national and international training programs regarding IPR practices. He has given landmark decision by rejecting Pfizer patent application for arthritis drug, which was filed in India. Now I invite you, sir, to deliver the presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I also welcome you all for the IPR program, that to joint program, I can say, because you are talking about more creativity. So what is creativity and what you're creating? That's very important role. always, even for thinking a project for the BSc fellow or 10th, we have to create something new. That may be any idea, design, or if you're writing books and all. So any idea you can create and get protect in the Government of India. So let us see today's topic, what is intellectual property and how to protect in the Government of India by sharing my slides. Are you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please continue.
So today's topic, creativity and how to protect that creativity. It means indirectly it's an intellectual property. You can see how we are creating whatever may be, everything start from your this mind. So therefore, I have shown something lightning or blooming in the mind because first idea click in your mind and that creates into that may be design or if you're writing books, novels or copyright, any idea. Therefore, we can say intellectual property means product of mind. Now the question arises, what may be the product? For example, today you are writing book, collaborative session on IPR. So what has happened? You're writing in the form of something else that creative, you're thinking and writing that. That's the intellectual property for giving some new shape to that. Or if you're writing new book, that's again ideas arising or you are creating from your mind. That's called intellectual property. For example, day by day we are seeing the petrol and diesel, the rates are getting higher. You can compare 21 to 24. Again, we know it's not a renewable source of energy. So one solution came in the market as we got electrical vehicles. But again, we have to charge for every 200, 300 kilometers. So what could be the solution wherein we need to have charging? Only we can generate energy inside the vehicle. So if somebody is bringing this technology, that's again new idea in the public domain. Or, petrol and diesel. It's not a renewable source of energy. So somebody among you developing a process of production of biodiesel. Again, new idea to tackle the problem or new technological solution for a technical problem. So any idea that arises from your mind is called intellectual property. I'll quote another example to make you understand. At present, for the cancer, we know allopathy and chemotherapy. But how much side effects are there? By keeping in his mind, somebody from botany fellow, pharma fellow, or any biotech fellow, or any common man is thinking to give herbal composition for treatment of cancer. What is this? You are creating new composition, you are getting protection the Government of India as a patent because no medicine in the herbal for the treatment of cancer. Again, it's a new idea. So IP means simply we can say any idea that is product of your mind. That may be design, technology, story, books, or plain software if you're developing. That's all comes under the intellectual property. Let us see how this property arises. When you are in the classroom with your students, or you are in the laboratory doing the research, or sitting alone or in a group of people. Yes, today you came all 3-4 colleges together to discuss on a particular topic. During the discussion in collaborative work, if you are able to solve any technical problem, or if you are able to give any arising, that may be design, or if you're writing books, whatever may be, that all idea are arising from your intellect. Therefore, we can say the product of human creation is called intellectual property. It may arise if you are alone, group of people, individually, anywhere else, but you're together putting the effort to solve some problem. That solution itself is a creation of your mind. For example, one of the company has brought smart shoes. Why can't Puma, Adidas, and Bata? Why someone else? Even you have not thought, even myself. Because we never thought of the people who are facing the problem of that. So one of the Australian company has thought to bring the smart shoes for the blind people. Why? They know, or we know, that the blind people cannot walk easily on the road. With the help of stick, they can walk just a half a meter away. But because of this technique, because of the use of this ultrasonic sensor, they can walk up to 4 meters away without any disturbance. Means they can detect the obstacle up to 4 meters away. What is this? Great idea which arises from your mind. You have created that to solve the problem of the blind people. That's again intellectual property. We can see simple clip. It's an invention, but we never thought of that. The paper clips help to solve the age-old problem. How do I keep my papers together without ruining them or poking them? So this for first time someone has got patent for a simple clip. It's again creativity. Zip. Earlier, no, we pants are having buttons, blouse having buttons. Now we are having zips. Miss, who has inventor? The zipper is an inventor for this, and therefore we came the name as a zip for this. Again, it's a simple invention, simple create, but solve some technical problem. We know this adhesive tape, invention or technology. Again, pen. Earlier, used to dip the quill and we have to write. Again, we have to dip, but ink pen came. Now many pens came. That's right, we never had to do that because of the invention of the ballpoint pen. Because somebody has invented. Day by day, we are getting improvement in the technology. One of the professor from your Nagpur itself, Dr. Pise, has developed cold drinks from moa flowers. Moa ke fool, moa che fuller. The botanical name is Madhuka longifolia. From this, he has produced cold drinks out of that. And surprisingly, people like the taste of that drink. What is this great invention? Great composition, because everyone is going to the herbal drinks. Now he can be owner of that company if he start the manufacture of this. Again, invention or technology. He claimed composition comprising so and so as in cold drinks. Great invention from the Nagpur. See, we are having mobiles, but there is no Bluetooth earlier. Now someone has invented. That's Jefferson. Again, mobile was there, but no front-facing camera. Now we are having. What is this? Invention, technology, creativity. Now the attendance system, what we are doing? We are punching now instead of signing. Again, it's combination of hardware, software, a system comprising for authenticating the biometric scanner. So again, great invention, combination of hardware and software. Software as such, we are not giving patent in India. The combination of both as a system, you can claim for the patents. Simple clip is an example. Shoes is an example, briefcase. And one of the college has brought cooling cap as an invention. So let us see what is the background of intellectual property. Property means your mind. आपका mind कहाँ जाता है? मेरे पास घर है, गाड़ी है, बंगलो है, और मेरे गांव में I am having land, so I am rich enough. But there is another kind of intellectual property which we cannot touch. That is creations of your mind. That's called intellectual property. In that, we are having different kind of properties like patents, designs, trademark, copyright, trade secret, even the plant protection also comes under the IPR. Let us see one by one. I told you IP means product of mind, but how to define that? Intangible creations of whom? Human intellect. You are the intelligent animal, or we can say human is the intelligent animal in the animal kingdom, having power of thinking. Therefore, we are taking a lot of challenges. We went to Chandrayaan. We have invented aeroplane. What not we are doing? Corona came, but we brought the vaccine for that. We are giving solution to all technical problems. Therefore, IP means intangible creations of human intellect having commercial value, asset like any other form of property. As I told you, if somebody is bringing herbal medicine for cancer, then any company can approach to you for licensing of that formula and you are getting money out of that. Therefore, it's an asset like any other form of property. Example of asset is, you might have seen the Marathi movie, De Dhakka in Marathi. Makrand Danaspur is the actor in that movie. He has invented one part. End of the movie, that part claimed by some of the company. Then his friend was the lawyer. He has registered that patent. And he's getting money out of that at the end of the movie. What is that? It's an asset like any other form of property. He has created idea, sold in Mumbai because of taking the harmonium. But at the end of the movie, he's getting money for that because he has developed some technology. So if you are developing technology, you are getting money like other form of property. Therefore, we can say IP is an asset like any other form of property. IP is called as an exclusive right. If you are filing patents, design, whatever, that is exclusive right. If you are filing from your college or institute, the right is with you, not with your parents, spouse, or children. Only you can exercise the power of that. Therefore, we can say IP is also a negative right because other person in the family cannot exercise the power of that. Again, IP is an territorial rights. For example, today I am filing patent for the herbal medicine for the cancer. So I'm getting right in only India because I filed only in India. But throughout the world, there is no herbal medicine. So somebody may copy. Therefore, I am filing my patent application even in the foreign countries. But how I should file? There are two ways to file your application even in foreign countries. One is called PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty. Another is called Convention Application as per Section 135 of the Patent Act. So there are two routes to file your invention in the foreign countries because you are getting, if you are filing India, it's a territorial right. Again, it's a licensable right. Pfizer company has developed corona vaccine, but they have licensed the right to Serum Institute of Pune for more production. It means you can license to anyone whom you want, depend upon the royalty. What is patent? Exclusive, monopoly privilege or right granted by the government to the patentee. Now, who is patent here? The person who is applying for the patent, we can say applicant himself is patentee because once he get the patent, he will be called as a patentee. For 20 years from the date of filing or priority. For example, today you are filing the patent, but you are disclosed in some conferences. From that onwards, you can also claim, or from provisional filing also. For commercial gain, when you are disclosing everything clearly, then only you are getting that. Otherwise, you cannot. For example, you have came today college, or you are certain some are attending from your home, offices, but you are taken today. Everyone takes head baths. So you have used different kind of shampoo. Maybe somebody Vatika, Sunslick, Dove, Mamaearth, Wow, Vedic, many shampoos are there. You are being highly educated. You are being professors or science students. You are all use this. How, why you are using? You are thinking what is the composition of that, or simply you are using all the shampoos. We don't know. Even Santur ka bhi advertise aata hai. Are we using Santur? No. So we should know what is the composition of that, but we are not knowing anything. If I am working on medicinal chemistry, I am bringing improved shampoo composition for treatment of dandruff. I can get patent, but I have to show the good results than the Vatika, Sunslick, or in any other shampoo. In that, I have to write where from I am taking the plants. What is the nature of that composition? What percentage, efficacy, and biological permission I have to take from NBA, all the experiment details, then I can get the patent for that. Because it is a requirement of section 10(4) of the Patent Act that you have to disclose everything clearly. Otherwise, you are not getting patent. We put an objection to your application. So you write whatever you are developing. If somebody has a system for doing business, write how your system is doing business, how you are able to generate the receipt of that business. All it will you have to write with the algorithm, software, with the hardware if you are claiming the system. So if you are writing everything detail, then only you are getting right as a territorial right, not worldwide. Many BSc fellow, BE fellow, BTech, BDS, everyone is doing project in the graduation and PG also. While doing your project, we are doing the research. So you should understand whether your project topic or research topic is qualifying the definition of invention, or you are simply going to the discoveries. So discovery means finding or exploring something already in nature, and discovery as such, no technical effort. For example, I am taking projects to isolate an microorganism from campus of J.M. Patel Bhandara College because they are having garden. From that soil, I am taking the sample to isolate microorganism. So the process of isolation may be new because I am changing pH, temperature, media of isolation also. So I can get patent for the process of isolation microorganism, but not for the microorganism as such what I have isolated from the soil. Why? I know that soil has some microbes, so it's a discovery. I have not done any invention. But in process, my invention lies. But I'm using genetic engineering technology, then I'm modifying into heat-resistant bacteria. Then I can get patent for that. Because human intervention, genetically modified microorganism, I can claim for the patent. So while choosing your project or research, you should understand whether your topic of research or project is going to the discoveries or simply you're doing the inventions. If it is invention, then only you can go for the patent filing because we are not giving patent for the discoveries. So what is invention then? Invention means new product or process. ATM machine is a new product because it's not there earlier. Shampoo composition of Mamaearth, it was not there earlier. Vatika was there, it's new product. Herbal medicine concert product. Fan product. CT scan machine product. Process of making beverages. Process of making shampoo. Process of making medicine. Process of making paracetamol. Whatever may be, it should be product or process. Useful to all. Something novel, non-obvious, and should not be in the public knowledge before the filing date. Maybe you are aware of new product and process. You know what is useful. You know what is novel. Can anyone tell me what is non-obviousness? Anyone? So you are connected virtually, but we can make interactive. You can unmute, you can discuss with me. Can anyone tell me what is non-obvious with the context of invention? While speaking, we say, मेरे घर में इडली बना है. Somebody says, मेरे घर में fried idli. It's very obvious, sir. But what is that obvious in terms of technical field? Anyone want to add? Any dear sirs, professors, ma'ams? What is non-obviousness? I am telling your research topic is new product process, useful but novel also. But what is non-obviousness? For example, I am making the tea of Maharashtra style. A process of making tea comprising step of taking cup of water, adding cup of milk for that, adding pinch of tea powder and sugar as per the taste, boiling, filtering, my tea is ready. In second claim, I am adding gauticha या कावळ्याच्या मुळ्या for the tea, lemongrass. It's my new tea because कावळ्याच्या मुळ्या gauticha is not in the other teas. So your tea is new, you have qualified the novel. Again, tea is useful also. It is product also. Again, process also, you are claiming process also. Now somebody from Karnataka is also making the tea. Same step, but in second claim, they are adding ginger for the tea. Sir, still I'm in lecture. So you will call me later on? Hello, sir. I'm in lecture. I told you 1:30, but now again I'm in lecture. So somebody is making tea from Karnataka. First claim is same, but second he is adding ginger for the tea. Adrak. Third person from Gujarat is also making the tea by same process, but he is adding cardamom for the tea or elaichi for the tea. Thus, the person from Telangana or Andhra is coming for international conference in the Maharashtra, Karnataka, in Gujarat. So it's very obvious to him to make the tea by using either ginger, either kavalyacha mulya, or either cardamom. So to get the patent, it should not be obvious. Something extraordinary, more effect, then only you are getting the patent for that. For obviousness, we are not giving patent. Again, it should not be the public knowledge. Even if you want to publish your paper, what you do? You check whether my research article, my research paper in the international journal, national, or any other journal. If not, then only you are going for publication. Same way, if you want to say that, if you want to file the patent, it should fulfill this 5 criteria that is called invention. But granting of the patent is again with respect to section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. Section 3 and 4 relates to non-patentable inventions. So your topic should not attract those sections. Simple example, sharpener I have taken. Earlier, there was no sharpener in the 1980s when I am studying in my school. We used to use the blade for that, but somebody has invented. In the school level, in the general knowledge, we have studied who has invented aeroplane, who has invented vaccines, who has invented fan. All we know because we have studied that. but you may be doctorate, awarded many PhDs under you, but you are not inventor because you are not file any, you are not having any patent on your name. So, C.A. Bosher for the this, what is the sharpener? Electric bulb, this, who? Thomas Alva Edison. Again, we know who has invented this. Can anyone tell me now? This technology was in the public domain, even though someone thought to give the mobile phone. What was necessary? एक टेलीफोन होते हुए भी किसी ने मोबाइल सोचा. Why they thought? Even by this using telephone, British were ruling our country, then used to speak in the foreign countries. जब वो भारत देश में बात करते थे, तो भी हमने क्यों सोचा कि हमें मोबाइल चाहिए? Why our scientific community has brought the mobile phone? Yes? Anyone want to guide me? Because from this example, I want to give one message to you all. Therefore, I'm asking. Anyone want to say? Please make the session as an interactive. Why someone has got idea to bring the mobile phone? इससे मेरे काम चल रहा था, मैं फॉरेन में बात कर रहा था, मैं लोकल में बात कर रहा था. Even though why they thought to bring the mobile phone? Anyone?
To have portability in the device.
Very good, very good. Portability. Again, please. Yes. Only portability. Again, anything else? Again, see, पहला slide में दिखाया mind, something blooming. Means you are creating. Today's topic is only creativity. So why? Because this device is having some disadvantages. One, I cannot change from my cabin to Dr. Budweiser's cabin because it's connected in my cabin. Therefore, everyone has to come to my cabin to talk. It is one of the disadvantages. Again, if I want to dial 10 times, I dial. Very hectic and time consuming. So, solve this problem. We got this table phone, wherein I can dial easily because buttons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, I cannot change from my cabin to Budweiser's cabin because it's connected in my cabin only. To solve this problem, our scientific community improved. We got cordless phone. We have in the serials TV can see. But I cannot take in the meeting, nor in the car, nor in the plane. To solve that problem, we got the mobile phone in India in the year 2002 or in and around that. Only incoming, outgoing there. Nokia was there, silver color, wajandar tha, very heavy, and more than 5,000 rupees was the price. Now, 1,000, 2,000 up to 40, 1 lakh, and incoming, outgoing were there. Now we are having video calling facility, Google Meet, Zoom Meet, WebEx Meet. What is this? Improvement of technology from AGBL to mobile phone. Isliye, from this example, I want to give one message that getting patents is not difficult at all. You can improve your devices, machines, composition, process, anything. Improvement technology is also patentable. AGBL got patent, even Nokia, Apple got the patent. So patent लेना मुश्किल नहीं है. For example, और एक example लेते हैं. There are many cements in the market. Cements बहुत सारे हैं. Advertise में बहुत देते हैं. But I am being civil engineer. I am developing improved cement composition, wherein I am changing the percent of gypsum. I am storing more strength than the other cements. So I can get patent for that. Because I am improving more strength than the other cements. So I can get patent for that. So improvement in the technology patent. और एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं आपको समझाने के लिए. पहले एक्सरे मशीन था. डॉक्टर कहते थे you are having some infection. Now we got improved medical device as a CT scan machine. अब डॉक्टर कहते हैं you are having 5 score of infection, 6 score, 7. What is this? Improvement of medical device from X-ray to CT scan machine. So you can get the patent for that also. So from this example, मुझे यही कहना है कि पेटेंट लेना मुश्किल नहीं है. तुम्हारे केमिस्ट्री में कंपोजिशन है, बॉटनी में कंपोजिशन है, प्रोसेसेस है, बहुत सारे फील्ड अलग में, प्रोडक्ट है, फिजिक्स में कैपेसिटर्स, बहुत सारे इन्वेंशन है. बट वी आर नॉट क्रिएटिंग इट, वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग लाइक दैट. हमारे दिमाग की बत्ती हम नहीं जला रहे, क्यों नहीं सोच रहे? Therefore, we are not doing anything for that. So, You are together now, you can create and bring into technologies and inventions. नैनो कार पहले था क्या? नहीं था. Hyundai था, Tata Motors था, Mahindra is an invention. Drones, smart car are the example of it. So patent is given for the technology, which is product or process. It should be novel, inventive, capable of industrial application, and should not attract section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. Then no one can stop you getting from the patent. मैं और एक example लेता हूं आपको. For example, पेटेंट का लास्ट एग्जांपल, अभी हम सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बच्चे खाना नहीं खा रहे. So if I'm bringing, I'm food technology, I'm bringing nutritious chocolate composition comprising so and so. If I'm giving nutritious balanced diet to children's in the form of that, then I can get patent for that also, because new composition, which enhance the protein content, calcium content to enhance the growth of children's. Again, you can get patent for that also. So let us see another kind of intellectual property called designs. What is design? You know, this is Bajaj iron box. You can check my this desk design. You can check my comb design. You can check my glass design. You can check yours, everything is different. My wallet design, my spectacle design, my ring finger design, anything which looks beautiful, that is called design. But definition is shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, or composition of lines, or combination thereof applied to any article. Chair, table, fan, whatever may be, that's called design. See, flush design, brush design, mobile design, all these are different kind of designs. Car design, even handle design. Mere functional feature of the article is not considered design. Design means how it looks. जो दिखता है वो दिखता है. The term is 10 years. It can be extended for 5 years. Total 15 years term for the design. See, beautiful cup set, sofa set, spoon set, chair set, dining table set, cooker set, plate set. आप जो हल्दी कुमकुम में लेडीज लोग लाते छोटे छोटे कितने सेट लाते हो, ऑल इफ इट इज न्यू डिजाइन यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. देखिए फार्मा के दिस कैप्सूल, दिस पैरास्टामोल राउंड नेचर, न्यू डिजाइन. इंजेक्शन डिजाइन, एम्पल डिजाइन, curtain design, bedsheet design, earrings, bangles, watches, all the designs are different. Daily consumer products. You can see this iron box, this. You can see this wallet, you check your wallet. Office bag, your office bag. You are drinking Coca-Cola since your childhood, but you don't know why the design of Coca-Cola is different, Sprite is different, Maaza, Mirinda, how many drinks are there? All the designs different. Fridge देखिए, हर घर में फ्रिज है. वॉशिंग मशीन है, उसकी डिजाइन देखिए. चप्पल्स, आपके सैंडल्स, कितने सारे डिजाइन के आते हैं. एनीथिंग विच लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल, दैट्स एन डिजाइन. ये देखिए सबकी डिजाइन अलग है. शार्पनर ड्यूल इन नेचर, पेंसिल पिकॉक और पैरेट स्पेशल, नया डिजाइन. यू सी दिस बिस्किट, यू सी टॉम एंड जेरी. कैन एनीवन टेल मी, स्पेशली लेडीज प्रोफेसर एंड लेडीज स्टूडेंट्स, why we are getting Tom and Jerry's toys in the market early? It's not there when we are children. Even the somebody's MBA fullers plan to bring such kind of biscuit design. Why? Anyone? Why they are thinking to launch such kind of designs in the market? Because always creativity. You are given the topic to discuss. So what they have created this? Why? What is the aim of that? What they want to? Because IP is an asset. तो उसे कुछ बनाना है ना. So why they brought? Anyone? Anyone want to say something? Please remember my first slide, creativity. First slide मैंने दिखाया creativity, mind, blooming mind. So think and act. You are doing the research, so you should be very creativity. Yes, anyone want to say something? No answer at all. The working moments nowadays, making our children to see Tom and Jerry's, putting TV on, putting the chairs to make the children sit on that and seeing they're working in the home. Because no option at all. So children want such kind of khilone. The one of the person who is in the biscuit company manager is thinking to that, The children may like such kind of design for the biscuit, so he's bringing such. How much it comes to market may not, but he's planned of bringing. Kinder Joy, it was how much? 50 rupees per piece, but it is going in the market. Something new design, having some toys in that, some chocolate in that. So, jo bhi ho, that's new, something is going. So, that's also new design. So, people, what is there in the market? जब 10 साल के बच्चे छोटे हैं तो उनके केक पे छोटा भीम चाहिए, चुटकी चाहिए. Why? Because they have seen that, they want on that. Cinderella चाहिए. That's new design, but we are not thinking. WhatsApp में कोरोना में एक joke भी आया था. That's not joke, but people thought that is joke. One of the lady wearing sari asking yellow mask only. Yellow sari she is wearing, asking yellow mask. It's not a joke because we want new design. We want to look ourselves new. Therefore, fashion design course came. New saris, new design, new textile companies designs are those. It's creativity. New design creative. How many saris designs are there? Designer dresses are there. That's creativity. Jacket of Modi, our PM sirs. Daily new design. Because even design can get registered in the government of India. That is creative from your mind. See the new designs. See dress designs. Fashionista of design Ahmedabad. Why he thought to bring such kind of design? Why can't you, me, or anyone else? Anyone? Why he might have thought to bring such kind of design? हमारे लोग भी प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, हमारे बच्चे फाइनल में एमएससी में ग्रेजुएशन में they may go to the library copying senior thesis, just data change करके फिर ले लेते हैं. So why he thought something to do new? Anyone? Any professor, students want to add something? We know, being science, we are having nerve connection here all. So the persons who are in the construction company, they are carrying out stones, bricks, sand, cement directly on the head. So they may have neurological disorder, back pain, disc pain. To solve that on the head is having some gap, most of the weight. Again, distribution of weight, physics fundamental, physics formula. So there was a problem, somebody is giving solution. Design term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years, subject to the usage. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called semiconductor integrated circuit layout designs. Physics, electrical, electronics, people are knowing what these circuits are. Earlier, we used to use China chips, Taiwan chips. If you are able to develop such kind of semiconductor new designs, integrated circuits, then you can go for the rest in the government of India. The office is located at Delhi. You can file online or offline. Term is 10 years. You know what is trademark or brand name. Tata, Bata, Parle-G. This is the name of the company, which advertise the company and protect the innocent public from buying the goods of second-hand quality. Adidas shoes, Puma shoes in the mall, 4,000. Mumbai VT side and roadside, 200, because they're changing spelling or mark of that company and they're coming in the second-hand quality. Therefore, R with N circle is a registered trademark. TM means you have applied for the mark, yet to get permission from the government of India. Duration is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years, subject to the usage like Tata, Bata, how long they're in the market. There are different trademarks, collective mark, certification marks, taglines, slogans, and such. Dil Mange More, Naukri.com, Bureau of Indian Standards are the different kind of trademarks. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called geographical indication. Can anyone tell me, you people from Nagpur has got GI tag for one of the product? Can I hear that? Name of the product, what you got GI in the Nagpur? Yes. I'm audible or not?
Sir, oranges, Nagpur oranges.
Yes. So how you are late here? Because I'm making it to understand. So place name used to identify source of origin, quality, reputation, or other kinds of products like Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk saree, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra Petha, Nagpur oranges. One of the sir has given the answer for that. Yes, something special product If geographic indications are affecting that, you can go for that. भिवापूरची मिरची, इटापल्ली सागवान, वायगावची हळद, द्राक्ष नाशिक, भुसावल बनाना, रसगुल्ला बेंगालोरिया, तिरुपति लड्डू, कांचीपुरम सिल्क Mysore silk saree, sandalwood soap. There's something special. Kolar gold mines from Karnataka. These are the different kind of gem because something special in area. You can go for that. For patent, design, trademark, anyone can go. But in GI, group of people who involved in the particular business, they can go. The term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years, subject to the usage. See, these are the example. Naturally occurring Makrana marble Rajasthan, Ratlavishi human made, Kanchiram sari, Katputli of Rajasthan, Bagh printers, Worli painting, Bidriware from Bidar, Karnataka, Chirili paintings, Magai pan, Kashmiri saffron, Coorg oranges, Nagpur oranges. These are the example of that. Now, let us see another kind of intellectual property called copyright. As you are from teaching, you are creating lot of things. You are writing books, novels, stories, this and that. So all comes from the copyright. Copyright provides holder right to restrict unauthorized copying, reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, painting, software. The term is life of the author plus 60 years. If you are writing books, if you are selling, whole your life plus 60 years, you are getting royalty for that. Many singers are no more, but still they are getting royalty for that. So, if you are writing as teaching faculties, you are writing books, novels, stories, poem, autobiography, your subject books, thesis, project, any literary works, you are getting protection under section 2 of that. Vanjari madam asked more about the copyright. So every detail you can ask me, any doubt you can ask me in this. Artistic work under section 2. So if you are writing artistic work, you are getting protection under section 2C of that. Dramatic work under section 2H of that. Musical works under section 2P. Sound recordings 2XX. Cinematograph films under section 2. So her if you are not protecting, they may copy. Therefore, you are supposed to protect. We speak. अरे ये तो मूवी तेलुगु वाला हिंदी में डब हुआ है. What is the dubbing? They're copying something out of that. That is infringement of copyright in copyright work. But we are not caring for that because getting results is too late. Today, if you are filing the movies coming up to somebody, I am filing the complaint in the court for infringement of copyright, but getting result too late. जब तक movie आएगा, चलेगा, कमाएगा, then it go also. Getting is too late. Therefore, we are not feeling much importance of that. So be aware. Each work, if you are creating literary, dramatic, music, any kind of work, you can go for the protection as you are from the teaching faculty. You may be arts, social science, any background, you are writing the books. So get it protection so that you are making the benefit of that and fulfilling the requirement of IP is an asset like any other form. Because you are selling your books, you are getting money out of that. Selling your dramas, movies, stories, you are getting money out of that. So you have to fulfill that. You are doing who is the author of that. If you are doing literary or dramatic work, author who writes that he is the owner of that. For musical work, composer. Artistic work, other than the photograph, artist who is drawing that photography, the person who is taking the photograph, that he is having the right. For cinematography and sound recording, producer. Literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work, the person who causes the work to be created is the owner of that. For this copyright, we take the one case study, that is monkey selfie case study. You can check in the Google. When the tourist went to the forest, he has taken that camera and he has clicked his own selfie. Now, who is the owner of that? There is a question, that's case study in the copyright. The term for literary, dramatic, musical, artistic, life of the author plus 60, and cinematograph films and sound recordings 60 years from the date of publication. So up to that, you are getting royalty for your work. The fees for filing copyright is for literary, dramatic, musical, artistic, 500 per work. If you are doing commercialization for artistic, 2,000 per work. Sound recordings, 2,000. Cinematography films, 5,000. So don't rely on that. Whenever you are filing the copyright work, please visit to copyright.go.in. You are getting all the fees detail in there. So make sure and then go for the fees filing. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called trade secret. Some invention, data, information. If you don't want to get the patent, you can keep that information as a confidential, that is called trade secret. For example, you are having idea of something, survey method, manufacturing process, experimental results, chemical formula, recipe, financial strategy, or client. Anything if you are having secret, you can keep secret with you. No need to disclose. As till today, we don't know the formula of Coca-Cola. We don't know the formula of matcha. You are eating pizza in common hotel. You are making the home also, or you are eating in the Domino's also. Domino's pizza is fluffy and tasty also. Why? We don't know the process of making dough for the pizza. We don't know what exactly ingredient they are adding. Therefore, the taste is different. We cannot prepare a KFC chicken recipe as they are preparing because we don't know. Shauji recipe I saw first time in the Nagpur when I transferred from Kolkata. We got something new recipe. So anything, if you want to keep secret, you can keep, that is called trade secret. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called protection of plant varieties. It's not comes under the Patent, Design, Trademark Act, but it has to dealt separately under the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act, as it comes under the IPs. If any novel varieties, distinct, uniform, stable, that may be rice, food grains, fruits, any new seeds, if you are able to develop, you can get protection in the Government of India. Term is 15 years for annual crops, 18 years for the trees and wine. So today you learned what is intellectual property, what is creativity of creating a project, is going to discover an invention, how to convert your idea into invention, and what are the different kind of IPs. Now, we'll take one example, how to protect your invention or technology with a IPR. This simple one company, Apple, they got trademark, they got design, they got technology patent after display. Nagpur RGNI to Dharampet College. The distance output is an technology. So I can get patent for that. The user manual with this laptop, they got copyright for that. Inside this circuit. So single company, they got everything. Therefore, their price is more and they are having power. That's called power of intellectual property. They got everything. No one can copy the technology, design, mark, or manual. That's power of intellectual property. If you are unable to buy the laptop of Apple, you can go for Dell, Samsung, because the price is more for this, because they are protect everything. Again, inside this bottle, what is that? We don't know. That is trade secret. Coca-Cola, this trademark. Chota, bada, फिर छोटा, फिर बड़ा, design of the bottle. जिस मशीन से बॉटल बना रहा हूँ वो टेक्नोलॉजी, उसे हम पेटेंट ले सकते हैं. कॉर्पोरेट डाटा टेक्स्ट को हम कॉर्पोरेट ले सकते हैं. सो सिंगल प्रोडक्ट है, उसे हम पेटेंट लिए, डिजाइन, ट्रेडमार्क, कॉपी. देयरफॉर नो वन कैन कॉपी टेक्नोलॉजी, नॉट डिजाइन, नॉट ट्रेडमार्क. और एग्जांपल, आपके मोबाइल देखिए, किसी के पास आईफोन होगा, मोटरोला होगा, नोकिया होगा, सैमसंग होगा, जो भी होगा, they got patent, design, they cannot copy each other technology. If they're copying, they will sue them in the court. Therefore, they cannot copy. They are independently in the market. If you want to buy iPhone, you can go for that. If your budget is not there, go for Motorola, Samsung, any other company which you are interested. So you learned all about patent, design, trademark, and how to protect your business. Now let us see how to file your patent application in the Government of India and who can file. See, here if you want to know about the patents, design, trademark, GR. If you want to file patent online, go here, comprehensive e-filing. Once you click here, you should have e-signature digital. Both are applied for the patent. Then go for the patent filing by using that signature. If you are not having e-signature digital, we cannot. Once you click there, patent will come. Open that, proceed with the filing, upload your provisional application or complete. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 5, and Form 18. These are the forms required for that. If you want to search whether topic is new or no, herbal medicine for cancer, go to a public search. Herbal medicine for cancer, you check here. Mosquito repellent composition, process of making paracetamol, or SMS, a system comprising SMS alert to a farmer when wild animals are entering the field, or some machine, detergent composition, whatever you are having, you can put there. So all this you can come in the public search. I'm in lecture. Will you call me at 4 o'clock? So this is for the public search. If you are unable to search in public, you can go to the Google patent, USO patent, EPO patent, WIPO. WIPO means World Intellectual Property. EPO, European Patent Office. USO, United States Patent Office. So you can search freely in those database, even Indian database also freely. But if you are not satisfied, you can go to the paid database also. That is PatSager paid database. You can know about that. And if you want to know, acts, manuals, guidelines are all available here. Now, you are created, you have written the books. Then how to file where? Then go here for the copyrights. Open that here. No need of any kind of signature. Just log in, create your ID password, fill that, and go for the filing. For example, Form 14 will appear. Fill each column with the name of the applicant, what you have written all, and upload the document in the form of PDF. And 500 rupees for the copyright filing. Pay online. 30 days is waiting period for that. If you are having any objection, letter will come to you. That is, you have to reply for that. If reply is not satisfactory, then you are getting chance of hearing like court hearing across the table. Or we are having since Corona video calling facility. So you have to understand how your book is new if you are writing book. If a story, how your story is new, or you have to make satisfying to us. If you are able to satisfy, then you are granting the patent copyright for that. Otherwise, we are rejecting for that. So this all about the patent, design, trademark, and copyright. What is the role of intellectual property? It helps us for the increasement or improvement of technology. पहले सिर्फ एजीबल का टेलीफोन था, अभी कितनी सारी मोबाइल आ गई, नोकिया, सैमसंग, रिलायंस, वी आर इंप्रूविंग. पहले सिर्फ एक्सरे मशीन था, वी गॉट सीटी स्कैन मशीन, एमआरआई. मींस डे बाय डे बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर इंप्रूविंग अ लॉट. अगेन प्रोवाइडिंग रिवॉर्ड एज एन एक्सक्लूसिव राइट फॉर डिस्क्लोजर. यदि आप पेटेंट लेके आते हो तो उसके लिए रॉयल्टी मिल रही है, डिजाइन लेते हो उसके लिए रॉयल्टी मिल रही है. सो यू आर गेटिंग रिवॉर्ड फॉर दैट व्हेन यू आर डिस्क्लोजिंग. आप जब बताओगे तभी. मेकिंग प्रॉफिट और अर्निंग रॉयल्टी थ्रू पुटिंग इन द प्रिंट. एप्पल लैपटॉप कितना बेनिफिट ले रहा है, लेकिन आप जो पेटेंट लेते हो फाइल रिकॉर्ड के लिए रखते हो. इट्स नॉट एन इन्वेंशन, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग बेनिफिट ऑफ बट लाइक एप्पल, सैमसंग, नोकिया, यू कैन गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट. Transferring into public property after 20 years because patent is for 20 years. If you are not paying the renewal fee up to 20, your patent is seized. Then anyone can use your technology. So please pay the renewal fee up to 20 years. क्या करें अभी? सब कुछ समझ में आ गया. What is patent? कैसे आइडिया को रिसर्च करना है, कैसे प्रोजेक्ट को इन्वेंशन में लाना है, कैसे आइडिया लेना है, कैसे आइडिया नया लाने के लिए क्रिएटिविटी करना है, वो सब पता चलेगा. नाउ डोंट वेट. Share the benefit of patent system in school, colleges, university, even in the public where you get the opportunity. Utilize the resource through organized R&D activities. Capture the market judicially. सोनी, सैमसंग दोनों टीवी है, कब से है? बहुत सालों से, लेकिन नो वन कैन कॉपी टेक्नोलॉजी बिकॉज दे गॉट पेटेंट, डिजाइन, ट्रेडमार्क. सो आप कुछ लेके आते हो टेक्नोलॉजी तो पेटेंट लीजिए. डिजाइन तो डिजाइन, उसके बाद मार्केट में. डोंट कम विथआउट दैट बिकॉज इंडिया इज वेरी मच जुगाड़ मेकिंग. तुरंत डुप्लीकेट आ जाता है, इसलिए फर्स्ट फाइल, गेट प्रोटेक्शन, देन कम इन द मार्केट. ऑन द प्रॉफिट थ्रू प्रोटेक्ट मार्केट. एप्पल कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करके फायदा ले रहा है, उसी तरह प्रोटेक्ट करो, फिर फायदा ले लो. इसी के साथ मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन, I finish my presentation. Thank you so much. Any questions we'll take now. Share the feedback link in the chat box for the certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. अगर किसी के पास कोई क्वेरी है, क्वेश्चन है, तो डायरेक्टली वो अनम्यूट होकर पूछ सकते हैं सर से. पार्टिसिपेंट्स, जो भी क्वेरीज होंगी आप डायरेक्टली अनम्यूट होकर पूछ सकते हैं.
Ma'am, लेकिन I am not satisfactory. No one has interacted with me. When it was physically in your college, many asked questions, many interacted.
Yes, sir.
This session was not at all interactive, being it 3-4 colleges. Very pity to say. जब आपके फिजिकल आते हैं तो कितना इंटरेक्शन होता है.
Yes, sir.
नो
Correct.
वन हैज इंटरेक्टेड. सो हम इतना मेहनत लेते हैं आपके लिए कि समझाए कैसे आपका प्रोजेक्ट इन्वेंशन में आए, बट नो
जी.
वन हैज डन.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yes, please, sir. Most welcome, sir. Thank you also. Happy also.
If a copyright is violated,
Yes.
what are the legal provisions for this?
First, you can go to the court, file that infringement my copyright. Then all the court proceedings. We are not doing anything from our side because it's all the court proceedings, and there are many remedies are there. They will go according to the court law, but you have to go to court for that. They will claim damages if you want a whole benefit. All the different clauses are there. Accordingly, they will pay you all the damages.
No, sir. First, I mean, where are they supposed to lodge a complaint? Can they directly go to the court,
Yes.
or they'll ask? They'll
Once
give you a notice for settlement.
First you can go notice for them. If he's not able to satisfy, then you can go to the court. One of the hospital from your Nagpur, I cannot take the name. They have taken the one patients and bed photo, which is C encircled, copyright one. They got the notice for they have to pay 24 lakhs rupees fine to them. If they are able to satisfy out of the court, it's very good because both amicably they can solve their problem. If he is not ready, the person who is the owner of that, then definitely he has to go for the court. Then all the court in then dono ka wakalat jayega. It takes time. So many will settle outside the court, but few will go to the court also. It is left to the both the parties, not individually and not with the government India office.
Sir, the patent office is not involved in this.
No, up to the grant patent office, copyright office of the giving copy. After that, we cannot bother about that.
No,
If
for
you-
violations, they don't have to come to you.
You can go to the court. While granting the patent, if somebody is violating your patent, we are granting, then you can come in the opposition for us. Sir, you are granting my patent. One of the ingredient in that composition is mine. Already acquired the patent. You can come in the form of pre-grant or post-grant. Then we will deal there only. After the grant, then everything is for the court.
Sir, in case of punishment, only fine will be there imposed
No, no,
or
Sir, depend upon how serious your copyright charges are there. Depend upon that, sir. Punishment also be there, fine will also be there. Depend upon that. But most of the cases for simple work, for example, I am copying your thesis or any hospital material, something like that, they will go for the mutual understanding, they settle outside the court only. Anyone is having their own research, paper presentation, if they are having good ideas, they can also discuss with me. We never disclose to others.
Parna, we need to share the feedback link with the participants.
Yes.
I suppose sir will be giving us the feedback link.
Already I have given to ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir is given
We'll
to me.
post it in the group so that
Yes, sir.
people can get the certificates.
Sure, sir. After this program.
Yeah. So,
The
If there are
Aparna,
no
yeah.
doubts, we shall move for next, what is the session for that, conclusion or what?
Aparna, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I continue.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation for your valuable contribution to our event on intellectual property right. Your presentation was informative, engaging, and insightful, and it has provided a deeper understanding of the topic for all the attendees. Your expertise and experience in the field of IPR have greatly benefited all of us, sir. Thank you once again, sir. Now I invite, or on behalf of all the 4 colleges, I invite Dr. Karthik Panikkar, sir, to propose vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to propose the vote of thanks for this one-day workshop on protecting creativity, intellectual property, and copyright essentials. At the very outset, let me place our gratitude to the esteemed patrons of all the 4 collaborating institutions. Very, very special thanks to the honorable principals of all the 4 colleges. Without their unflinching support, this workshop would not have been possible. And I have no words to thank Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi and the institute for always being for us. You have always been just a phone call away for us. And it was such a interesting and enriching lecture. You explained everything in very simple language and gave us commonplace examples. I suppose this session has been to a great extent successful in sensitizing the teachers, especially about the different aspects of intellectual property. Of course, I mean, to understand it in brief, it will take some more time. We'll look for arranging a online rather than online. We'll try to arrange an offline presentation that should help the students as well, because these days many of our students have ideas, but even teachers don't know how to help them. They don't know how to get their ideas registered, their designs registered. I have seen students coming up with some wonderful designs, and they can get their designs registered. Otherwise, that might be copied by some big company, and they would flood market with that design. So overall, it has been a great session. I would like to thank the participants also for being there with us. Thank you, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi, once again for your cooperation. Thank you.
to
We'll
all the
look forward to your
principals, all the
support
parents.
in the
Thank-
future also.
Thank you for
Thank
all
you.
of us.
Aparna, thank you. Nihal sir, we can close now.
Yes,